In this video, I'm going to talk about these 4 common mistakes that a lot of people that wants to get started with online forex trading in Zimbabwe make. So the point number 1, before I actually go to point number 1, I want to talk about the law of attraction. The law of attraction, you can actually, I'm not going to spend much time on that, because the law of attraction says that what you continuously focus on, it will eventually happen. So I've come across a lot of people who have lost money through online forex trading, and basically if you want to look at how they lost money, it's actually because of what they were actually focusing on, or what they were actually continuously looking for when they were actually wanting to be involved in online forex trading. So Google about law of attraction, you will learn more about it. So the common mistake number 1 is they are looking for someone to invest in. They're continuously looking for someone to invest in, because on the internet there are these reviews or videos that states that you can actually find someone that you can give your money and then you just get the money back, okay? Like put $100 and then you're gonna get $200 back without you doing anything. And then what you just need is just profit. So why is that a mistake? Okay, when it comes to online forex trading, you need to learn what is online forex trading, and more on that later. But it's a mistake to look for someone that you can invest in and wanting to get profits if you are actually wanting to do online forex trading, because the investors, the people that you invest in, they will claim that they are doing forex trading, and looking for someone who can do that for you. Okay, this is almost similar to point number 1, but the difference is that this time around you put money in your account, you put the money into your broker's account, and then you have someone doing everything for you, and then you want to make some profits. Okay, that's the mistake again that they do. They are focusing on just these easy things so that they can actually make money, especially the beginners. Number 2, they just need the easy way out. Okay, I just need money. Okay, that's what they are focusing is, and it's actually a total mistake. Okay, when it come to any forex trading, you realize that there is a lot that you need to learn about forex trading, and most of the beginners, they don't want to go through the training aspect, okay, of learning what it takes to become an online forex trader. And this actually leads us to number 4, and number 4 is, if I invest, I'm not ready to take losses, or I'm not ready for losses. Okay, ask anyone who trades forex well. They will tell you that in forex trading you make losses. And what's really special about you, that when you invest your money, or when you actually start trading forex, you're actually going to make some profits. Even the experts at trading, they're actually making some losses as well. So you need to understand that in forex trading there are profits and there are actually losses. So those are actually my 4 points. If you have any points, you can actually leave a comment below this video, and to know some of the common mistakes that the beginners actually face. Okay, so now, can someone make profits in forex trading? My answer is yes, definitely you can make money in forex trading. But what's the bottom line, or the foundation of forex trading is, number 1, you need to invest in education. Okay, you need to learn. Okay, so when it comes to forex trading, there is like I've actually come across someone who claims to be a forex trader, and I've asked them, like, what is the margin that you've actually put on a trade, and they're like rolling their eyes. And so there are things like, you need to know what is a candlestick, what are time frames in forex trading, what are pips, what are support and resistance, what are indicators, time frames, trading times, NFP. There's quite a lot of things as a beginner that you need to understand, so that you can actually jump into forex, and also understand that forex trading comes with a lot of risks and at the same time a lot of rewards. So if you come across someone who says, I've made 30,000 in a day, it's possible. Yes, it's possible, but now, is it happening every day? It may not be happening every day, and a lot of people are making actually fortunes in forex trading. So you need to understand and make sure that you take the right path and learn forex trading properly. There's a lot of places that you can actually learn forex trading. So those are some of the 4 common mistakes that beginners make. So if you have more, please just leave a comment below this video. So now, is there another way of doing this in Zimbabwe? Okay, I'm a Zimbabwean, and maybe for watching this video, I did it for people actually living in Zimbabwe. So yes, there is a way of actually doing it. So I actually wrote a book. Okay, it's a ebook that you download on your phone. It's very small, that you can read in less than 30 minutes. Okay, but this ebook actually covers online forex trading for the beginners, for the people that are actually getting started, the information that they need to know. Okay, the critical information that they need to know, like where to open an account, how to deposit your money, how to withdraw money, how to avoid scams, quite a lot of things that you learn from the little ebook. Trust me, there's this thing that goes like, to know the road ahead, ask those coming back. I mean, there's a whole lot of people that are doing forex trading. I belong to a lot of WhatsApp groups. So if people see someone actually losing money through forex or through a forex scammer, they go like, is this thing happening? But yeah, it is happening, because there's more and more people that are looking to trade forex, and they just don't know some of the information, and they just don't know some of the communities that are actually available. And thanks, you're actually watching this video today, because you're actually going to begin your journey on forex trading. So below this video, I actually did a video before this, which is 5 online forex scams in Zimbabwe that you need to watch out for. So below this video, you'll find a link in the description. It will take you to the video that I'm actually talking about. You learn about the 5 mistakes, the 5 forex scams that you can actually come across if you're actually someone who is actually getting started. And then below this video, again, there is a link that will take you to where you can actually get the book. Okay, this book is actually something that can actually save you a lot of time. So if you have any questions, just leave a comment below this video, and I'll be more than happy to help you and assist you and to answer some of your questions. If this video was helpful, please just share with someone whom you think can actually benefit, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. I do videos a lot, and I look forward to answering some of your burning questions. With that being said, thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.